So I recently got sent out these battery powered lamps, and today I'm going to show you exactly how I installed them. We're also going to do a really quick unboxing. Then of course, I'm going to show you guys exactly how they work. With that being said, let's go ahead and cut to the unboxing right now. All right, so let's get straight into that unboxing. So on the top here, we're going to get some installation instructions. And the cool part is that these are completely battery operated, so no wiring necessary. We have the plate, or the decorative plate, I should say, with all of the mounting hardware right on the inside. USB-Cs for charging, some drywall anchors and screws, and a little wrench. So here we have the lampshades. There's no assembly required on the lampshades. Then on the inside, we get the little lights. So there's a magnet there that will hold them in place. And we have a power button here. They are RGB, but most importantly, you could get your white light, your warm light, and go all the way back to RGB. So there should be a controller in here somewhere to control these as well. Then to turn them off, just press and hold. Here's the other decorative plate. We also get remotes for the lights. And then here are the lamp arms. So let's go ahead and do a really quick install video. So the first thing that I'm gonna do is I'm gonna unscrew these so I could get a hold of the bracket so we could find out where we're gonna place our holes. Now I've already had something mounted here previously, so I was hoping these would line up, and they don't quite. So we're gonna have to drill some new holes and make some new drywall anchors. First of all, I'm gonna see if we're gonna get lucky here with a stud, and we might actually. Looks like there could be a stud right there. So now we're just gonna drill. All right, unfortunately, no stud. We missed it slightly. So we're just gonna hammer this drywall anchor in, and they will supply you with drywall anchors as well, but I just wanted to use my own instead. Now next up, we're gonna just screw this into the wall. Not all the way, just loosely for now. So now we're just gonna get a measurement, see where the top of this is laying, just so we can make sure it's the exact same on the opposite side. I'm gonna go ahead and leave this loose just so I can make some slight adjustments just in case. For now, I'm gonna go ahead and do the other side and get these mounted exactly where they need to go, and then we're gonna start with the next step. So next up, we're gonna put the arm onto the little base here, and it just gets tied down with a 14mm bolt, and it is supplied. Now from there, we're gonna go ahead and slide this on, and we're gonna try to get it nice and flat, or I should say level. Now we're just going to hand tighten these on. And it's pretty important to get these pretty tight just to make sure it's not moving around on the wall. Then from there, we're just gonna screw this right onto this plate. So when you're done, it should look something like this. Now all we have to do is charge up these little lights, and then we could test it out. But just for testing purposes, we're gonna go ahead and try it out right now. So let's keep it on the warm white light right there. These literally just drop right onto that little plate. Then we're gonna rotate this so that we can't see the seam. And just like that, we're basically all set up. Looks beautiful. So I'm gonna go ahead and do the other side, get it all hooked up, and I'll show you guys all of the lighting functions with some of these lights turned off in our little dining room. So now that we got them set up, we're gonna go ahead and do a bunch of testing with them. For now, we're gonna keep some lights on just so I could show you how bright they are. But in just a minute, we'll make sure to turn the lights down to show you guys what it looks like in a darker scenario. So when it comes to the remote, we have the on and off switch. You only need one remote, but it does come with two. We have timers here as well. So we get a 30-minute timer, 60-minute, 120 minutes. We also could change the brightness right there to conserve battery. Then we also have presets for the RGB. So right now it's gonna fluctuate through all of the colors of the RGB rainbow, and that looks really cool. Definitely a different vibe and something I'll probably use during Halloween. Then we have the flashing mode, which is pretty fun as well. But my favorite thing about it is we're gonna get warm white light, we're gonna get middle ground, and then we're also gonna get a really cool white light. So it should be able to match any light that you guys have in your house when it comes to the color temperature. So we're gonna get a red, we're gonna get green, and blue, the main RGB colors, and then we have slightly different variations of them as well. So you guys could have a lot of fun with this. And we personally have this in our formal dining room where we have a lot of game nights. So these lights are gonna come in handy for that, and they're gonna look really cool. Let's go ahead and turn off some lights in here so I could show you how bright they actually are. All right, so it is daytime right now, hence why the light is kind of sneaking through back there, but it's still a lot better this way. So let me go ahead and show you the mode that I'm most excited about, just the white light right here. And then we could turn down the brightness if we wanna conserve that battery. It still looks really nice. Then we could quickly go through all the colors with the smooth mode just to give you guys an idea. So overall, I'm really happy with the design of these lights. They're pretty easy to install as well, and they came with a really nice bracket. Something else that I like about them is that there's no wires necessary. It is completely wireless. And they did mention that you're gonna be able to get about 15 hours of light at full brightness with one charge, which to me is plenty, especially if you're mostly using it when you guys are using the dining room or maybe your living room. So anyways, if you guys are looking for some wireless lamps, these are really cool, and that's it for my super quick review and install.